You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Marcus Aurelius. It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Epictetus. We suffer more often in imagination than in reality. Seneca. The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. Marcus Aurelius. First say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do. Epictetus. No man is free who is not master of himself. Seneca. Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one. Marcus Aurelius. The greater the difficulty, the more glory in surmounting it. Skillful pilots gain their reputation from storms and tempests. Epictetus. It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste a lot of it. Seneca. If you are distressed by any external thing, it is not this thing that disturbs you, but your own judgment of it. Marcus Aurelius. Freedom is the only true possession. Epictetus. He who is brave is free. Seneca. The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. Marcus Aurelius. We are more often frightened than hurt, and we suffer more from imagination than from reality. Seneca. Look within. Within is the fountain of good, and it will ever bubble up if you will ever dig. Marcus Aurelius. Wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants. Epictetus. A gem cannot be polished without friction, nor a man perfected without trials. Seneca. The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury. Marcus Aurelius. It's not the things themselves that disturb us, but our opinions about them. Epictetus. He who is not a good servant will not be a good master. Seneca. Our life is what our thoughts make it. Marcus Aurelius. When someone is properly grounded in life, they shouldn't have to look outside themselves for approval. Epictetus. Time is the most valuable thing a man can spend. Seneca.